Hi, I'm Peggy.
I'm Anna.
Today we're here to introduce our new app, iReady.
Students tend to be late for school, especially in urban cities where the reasons are uncontrollable factors like traffic and weather. Heavy rain in densely populated areas severely slows traffic down. Sudden changes in weather causes the students to spend more time getting appropriate clothes ready. In most schools, lateness means punishment, either lower grade or damaged impressions, even though students don't mean to be late.
Students need a way to know the traffic and weather ahead of time in order to know how much earlier they need to wake up and prepare the clothes for the next day. Sure, there are apps that display parts of this information, but there isn't a way for students to be able to see all of the information in one place to easily understand it. And so we invented iReady, an app designed to prepare students for the day ahead of them in every way.
This app provides customized alarm bells which remind students of important events. Have you ever forgotten to bring your lab coat during science class? Well, this app can prevent problems like these for you. While the alarm sounds and the other apps are playing, our app reads the notes you wrote out the day before out loud, like this.
Necessary information like weather and traffic is just one click away from the home screen. We even have an avatar depicting what kind of clothes the user is recommended to wear the next day. For example, heavy rain depicts a raincoat and windy days a sweater.
So what do students think of our app? We invited a classmate from our school to give us some feedback.
Hi Harry, thanks for agreeing to test our app. We have some questions for you.
First, what was your first impression of our app, iReady?
It looked great and it was easy to get a hang of.
So you've said that you're constantly late for school. So what's so special about this app that helps you get rid of the habit?
Every day I check iReady and I immediately know what to prepare for the next school day. Before iReady, I didn't bother to check any information because it was too much of a hassle. After using this app, it was much more convenient and I gained the habit of preparing for the things the day before.
Okay, so what function in this app you think that fascinates you the most?
I think the function that reminds me out loud every day is the best because I'm a very forgetful person and I usually forget what to bring to school. The voice took some time to get used to, but it soon felt like my second mother.
So do you think you would recommend your friends to use this app?
Yes, I would definitely recommend this app to my friends. Its information is simple and it can help people be punctual.
Thanks for your time.
And now let's hear from one of our developers, Josh, to explain how this app works.
Hi, I'm Josh, the developer of iReady. Our app allows you to check weather reports and traffic jams, and it empowers the use of AI to plan your schedule. Once you enter the app, you will see 6 buttons, which are alarm, traffic, weather report, chatbot, and calendar. If you click the alarm button, a time picker will pop up on the screen, allowing you to set the alarm clock for the next day. A map will appear when you click the traffic button, which lets you check for traffic jams and plan your schedule for the day. Weather reports enables you to check weather forecasts and be notified to bring jackets and umbrellas on cold or rainy days. Use the calendar function to connect to your Notion to-do list and inform you of any uncompleted tasks. Chatbot allows you to chat with AI models and plan your schedule. Now that you have learned how to use iReady, I am sure that you won't be late for school again.
It looks like our app will be quite useful for students.
People will be really fascinated by the function of the alarm reading the notice out loud.
Yeah, as if a free personal assistant is waking you up every day.
We really hope that this app will help students be punctual.
Thank you for listening.
MIT, I'm ready!